Alrighty, so today we're gonna be doing some wood chipping. Lots of blow down timber. These are lodge poles right by this lake, Welch Lake. See Schweitzer up there. Yeah, this lake flooded a few years ago and killed all these trees. So we're just gonna get all the fallen ones, and then we got a wood chipper over there and chip them all up. Alrighty, you got quite a few chips. Still got a couple more. Let me show you this area. See a couple more dead ones there, but all this area is nice and clean. We'll just haul those up. Coming along.